Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us learn how to speak Zulu language. Today we are coming to learn how to tell time in Zulu language. Asifunde ukusho isikhathi ngolimi lwesiZulu. Let us learn to tell time in Zulu language. This is PH Oliphant. Hello everyone. I welcome you all to our Zulu language lessons. Learning Zulu is not fast nor as easy, especially counting in Zulu, but I will help you to get started. By the way, this is Zulu language, lesson 19, how to tell time in Zulu language. How to tell time in Zulu language. Asifunde ukusho isikhathi ngolimi lwesiZulu. Asifunde ukusho isikhathi ngolimi lwesiZulu. By the way, this is Polyphant Knowledge and Skills, your host, PH Oliphant. Time in Zulu is called isikhathi. Isikhathi or time. Telling time in Zulu language is quite easy. You simply split the time down the middle. You say your minutes first and your hour last. Let us begin. First of all, there's something that you need to know. An hour in Zulu is called ihora. A minute in Zulu is called umzuzu. A minute is called umzuzu. A second is called umzuzwana. 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 Now let us tell what time is it right now. This is 1 o'clock. So just 1 hour. This is 1 o'clock. Ihora lokuqala. Ihora lokuqala. This is 1 minute past 1. That is 1 minute past 1. Munye umzuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Munye umzuzu lishayile ini ihora lokuqala. This is 2 minutes past 1. Mibili imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. This is 3 minutes past 1. Mitatu imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. This is 4 minutes past 1. Mine means 4. Mine imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. This is 5 minutes past 1. Mihlanu means 5. Imizuzu means a second. Lishayile, that is past. Ihora lokuqala, 1. So this is 5 past 1. So mihlanu imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Isithupha imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Isikhombisa imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Isishagalombili imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Isishagalolunye imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nanye imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nambili imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nantathu, ntathu means 3. Ishumi nantathu imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nane imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi means 10. Nane means 4. So ishumi nane is equal to 14 seconds past 1. That is what? That is ishumi nane imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nanhlanu imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nanhlanu, that is 10 and 5, is equal to ishumi nanhlanu imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nesithupha imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nesithupha imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. ishumi nesikhombisa, ishumi nesikhombisa imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nesishiyagalombili imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ishumi nesishiyagalolunye, ishumi nesishiyagalolunye imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili nanye imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili nambili, amashumi amabili nambili lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili nantathu, amashumi amabili nantathu, amashumi amabili nantathu imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili nane imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili nanhlanu, that's 25. Amashumi amabili nanhlanu imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili nesithupha imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili nesikhombisa imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. This is 27 minutes past 1. Amashumi amabili, that is 20. Nesikhombisa, that is 7. Amashumi amabili nesikhombisa, that is what? That is 27. Amashumi amabili nesikhombisa imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. This is 28 minutes past. Amashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. That is 28 minutes past 1. This is 29 minutes past 1. Amashumi amabili nesishiyagalolunye imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Amashumi amabili nesishiyagalolunye imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. This is 1:30, 1:30. Amashumi amathathu imizuzu lishayile ihora lokuqala. Ligamenxe ihora lokuqala. That is 1:30, or that is 30 minutes past 1. So ligamenxe ini ihora lesingaki lokuqala. Yes. So now time we set isikhathi from 12 o'clock in your clock there, from 12 o'clock going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going to the right here. All those minutes there are there after o'clock, yeah? After an hour. So after a certain hour or after a certain time. So all those minutes are called, when we call them, we say the minute and then we say past, because it has gone past the o'clock. So from 12 down to 6, we say past. In Zulu, we say lishayile. 1 minute past means munye umzuzu lishayile. Past means lishayile. So when it arrives at 6 there at the bottom, at 6, 1:30. In Zulu, ligamenxe. 1:30, ligamenxe ihora lokuqala. Ligamenxe ihora lokuqala. All right. So that is how we calculate it. So from 6 going up, from 6 straight to the left now upwards, what we say there, we say 2. 2 means phambi kokuba, because we minus minutes there. From 6, we say 29, 28, 27, 26, 25 to up and up and up, 22. That 2 in Zulu is phambi kokuba. Phambi kokuba. Phambi kokuba. Yes. Then when you arrive there on top, and 12, that is o'clock. It can be 12 o'clock, it can be 1 o'clock, it can be 6 o'clock, it can be 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock, depends what time of an hour is. So that is how we are dealing with this. So that is all for today. We have been doing the first of an hour. On our next video, telling time in Zulu part 2, we will complete our other half of the hour. Revise the first half of this hour of this video until you understand. Repeat this video until you are satisfied that you now understand exactly what is happening there. If you fail to comprehend some of the parts of this video, do not mind to send me a comment at comment section. Just write there, ask me what is it that you want to know in this, what you call. Revise this first half until you understand it. Repeat this video until you are okay. And don't forget to push those likes buttons, guys. Subscribe and share this video so that our channel will exist longer. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful lesson. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Do not miss out. Thank you very much.